In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out image in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have a clean, precise cutout ready to drop onto any background, all while keeping things simple and non-destructive. First, open Affinity Photo and load the image you want to work with. Give yourself a clear view of the subject by zooming in a bit so you can see the edges you'll trace. The cleaner you can see the edge, the better your result will be. Next, select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left. It looks like a fountain pen nib. We'll use it to draw a smooth path around the subject. With the pen tool active, start clicking along the edge of your subject to place points. For curves, click and drag slightly as you place a point. This creates handles that let the line bend smoothly around rounded areas like shoulders, hair outlines, or product corners. Keep your clicks close to the edge and use fewer, smarter points rather than lots of tiny ones. Fewer points make smoother, easier to edit curves. If a point lands in the wrong spot, undo or hold a modifier to reposition it before placing the next one. Pan and zoom as needed to stay accurate around intricate details. Continue placing points all the way around until you return to your starting point to close the path. A closed path is essential for the next step. It tells Affinity where the inside and outside of your subject are. With the path complete, locate the newly created curve layer in the Layers panel and right-click it. From the context menu, choose Rasterize to Mask. Affinity converts your path into a layer mask, hiding everything outside the path and keeping the pixels inside fully intact. This gives you a clean cutout without permanently erasing anything. You can now preview your isolated subject over a different background color or image, confident that your original pixels remain safe behind the mask. Save your file so you can revisit or refine later if needed.